Hey, welcome to AI Over Coffee here at FlowHunt. I'm Marcia, and this is Yasha.
Hey, I'm Yasha, co-founder of FlowHunt. We got a lot to tell about, in this week. So basically, the format is every week we're gonna go through anything that is happening in FlowHunt. Basically, we're gonna go through flows that we've been building and the new paradigm of AI that's becoming really prevalent throughout this past weeks. So we're gonna go through flows, right? The flows that I've developed throughout the week, the flows that Archie developed in the week, also product reviews. So like the best AI products and also AI papers that I've been reading. Literally, All right, so this is from one of the customers that we have had in the past week, and basically the task is we have there's a directory of all different artists that is out there, and they have their arts right in different blog posts or blog pages, and we needed to generate AI content at scale. So the AI needed to go through all the art that the person has created or the artist has created, and basically give like how the writing style or how the art style is like, and also give a history of the artist, what were they working on, and like the whole concept of their art. So that's something interesting, and we were able to do this at scale. So basically we can create different flows that goes through the person's Instagram, and then sees what are different art style, and then it creates a really brief blog about their art style. So that's something interesting, and we can go through the flow that we created in this week, and I can describe what different components look like. So this is like the simplest flow ever. It's like basically you can do also the same thing with ChatGPT. It's no difference, but the beauty with the flows is that you can use any AI LLMs that is out there with just one component. So you don't need to just go on and code yourself. It's a no code way to build the same thing. But actually the whole concept of flows comes really handy when you have like more complicated examples. This is just a simple example, and yeah. So this flow, as you can see, just goes to prompt, goes to generator and output. So that's basically not really interesting. But the thing is, we were able to comprehend, or LLM was able to see what is exactly the art, and then go through and yeah, so create a blog, and you can see the prompt there.
Do you want to give any why you came up with this prompt and what it exactly does?
Yeah, so the prompt is basically you just say to the prompt, what do you exactly want? So it's not even chain of thoughts or some complicated prompt. You just say you see it says comment about the facts, degrees of realism, photorealism, freedom to experiment, and complexity. So we just basically, as flow engineers, I think this is becoming like a real job position right now at this point, that flow engineers are kind of need to be domain expert in anything. So they needed to know what are they trying to achieve, and get some data about it, or read some blogs about it, and then do a prompt. Actually, you're doing like flow engineering all the time, so maybe you can give a better
Of course. Kind of. So last week we had this template for company analysis, where you would be able to see every single detail about a company before, for example, like if you have a meeting or you're trying to get some background insight, whether you want to invest in that company or not. We had this prompt already. We had this template already in FlowHunt, but we refined it a little bit. As you can see, it looks absolutely insane, right? This is yeah. It wasn't the most fun flow to be engineering, to be honest, but it is incredible. It's truly incredible. For example, if we give FlowHunt as an example. it is able to go gather descriptions about it, investment history, the co-founders and founders, and it'll actually provide you with their LinkedIn pages as well. There is market share, what value of the market they have, and how much of the market they're keeping in their palm. It's quite cool actually. But this kind of flow, as you can see, it's really big, and it might take a little bit of time, but I think it's worth it. No?
Yeah.
I think it's pretty cool because
And what are those?
those are logs, right? So we can see live. This entire flow is powered by AI agents. So we have like multiple agents doing different things at the same time, and they're managed by a single agent, right? It's like a company. They all want to achieve a single output, but they're working together like a little company of their own. They're just communicating with each other and all that, and you can see like the communication between them through these logs. Like the little darker parts when the AI is thinking is all the logs that you can expect, and you can actually read through them as you're waiting for your answer, because as I said, it might take a little while to generate the answer that you want. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But this kind of thing, like if you have a normal employee doing this, it would take him or her, I don't know, maybe 2-3 hours to gather all this information and then put it into a nice little Word document and give it to the boss. But like you just give a single keyword in FlowHunt and you'll be able to get your results in 4 or 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah.
Oh, it's actually that.
Oh wow, it was faster than we thought. Yeah. It's even better than we thought. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
So let's break through like what does it give
Sure thing. Yeah. So as we start, it is. So we get a company overview of FlowHunt, what it is. As you can see, it says FlowHunt is a no-code platform designed to empower users to effortlessly create AI tools, which is completely correct. It has the key features of the company, the history, which is actually scarily very accurate. FlowHunt was founded by Quality Unit, right up there.
I don't know if you see it, but
yeah, they can see it. They can see a little bit of it, right? Founded by Quality Unit and the team behind Live Agent and Post Affiliate Pro. Internal challenges with existing chatbot solutions, FlowHunt quickly evolved into a comprehensive platform offering a wide range of AI capabilities. That is very accurate, right? Yeah, it gives some notable achievements, and it also gives you the sources in the format of links, so you can. It's 100% accurate. It searches online, and it can search internal documents online using Google search. And it gives you accurate data, so it doesn't hallucinate. So yeah, it gives you a problem and a solution about this company. It gives you the market share, market size, market background, target market, what the company's focusing on. I think like this kind of information is really useful for investment companies, for example. We had a customer that wanted it for investments. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see the team as well, which is, hey, it's you right there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. And that's me right there. So yeah, and then you have the LinkedIn profiles, it's Victor's, which I'm not gonna show. Yeah, and then we have the products and services of the company, competitive advantages over other companies that do similar things. We don't have, because it says there's no public information available regarding FlowHunt's funding history. So it does tell you that, hey, we don't have that. It's not gonna. And then another one, go to market. It couldn't find any information on it, so it tells you, hey, I don't know what this is. I can't find it. It doesn't just hallucinate the economics, so it has our pricing plan, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I think this is one of the coolest flows we have.
Yeah.
It's one of the more complex and more expensive and time-consuming ones. But like when you look at it at a larger scale, I would think it's absolutely phenomenal. No?
Yeah.
It's just crazy. So yeah, this flow is actually available on our website. People can use it. So it's go use it. It's pretty cool. It's free.
Yeah.
You can use it for free. It's insane, right? So yeah, just go use it. It's awesome. So we're gonna tell you what kind of flows you can use, because most of these flows are available in our AI tools page in our website. And we have a bunch of tools on for education, for SEO, marketing, all that
Sales.
good stuff. Sales, yeah, absolutely. So yeah, we'll tell you what kind of flows we have, and every single week you can go try them out. It's pretty cool. Do it.
Nice.
Go do it. Just
All right. So, are you ready for the AI paper?
boring.
Well, it's not. Just
It's pretty interesting.
all right. So this is about test time training. Do you know what is test time training?
No idea.
All right. So LLMs till now, what we have achieved is they train on something and then they just deploy it somewhere, and they just use their memory that they had in training, right? So that's the first thing. But now there's test time training. So in test time training, the model actually learns while it's deployed, based on customized based on the different tasks. And basically what they have to what this paper has done is it went through the ARC competition. It's a data set of different tasks basically optimized for AGI. So they give you different examples of different patterns, what is the input and what is the output. And then at the end, they give you one input, and the LLM has to predict what's the output. So that's the task, and they created this test time training method to go through all the data set in the training time. So the first three examples, they create different transformations of the input. So for example, they rotate it or transform it in a way, and then they do this transformation in different variations. So like sometimes they do it like 90 degrees, sometimes 180 degrees, and so. And then at the end, for all these variations, they predict something, and then they take what is the most common one, and then at the end they have. So basically the whole idea is the model trains after deployment even. So that's a new paradigm that we're seeing, and it's gonna actually increase a lot of accuracy of the models. So they reached 60% accuracy on this data set, which back then it was about 10% or 4%. So it's like huge jump. But also they actually used Llama in there. So Llama 8 billion. We actually had a lot of experiments also with Llama in flow engineering, but it seems that it works. And still we haven't reached the maximum of a human accuracy that we had, which is 98%, but it's a start. So what do you think?
I think it's pretty cool. Like any step that we can take to be closer to AGI. For those who don't know, it's artificial general intelligence, which is as smart as humans or even smarter. So yeah, any step towards that, the faster we can get it, the technology shift is going to be insane as soon as AGI comes out. Okay, that was our AI paper of the week. So we're going to go on to the product of the week. We're going to introduce you guys with a product that we really love and adore every single week. And we're both students. Mm-hmm. We do projects. And I personally use this website called Humanize AI Pro. Let me try to show you. It gives you 100% human written every single time. Mm-hmm. Like the free version sometimes does, but the standard version all the way up to shorten. And if you run Ultra, it can even like trick GPT-0 and all those advanced like AI detectors that cost hundreds of euros a month, right? It's crazy. I've done a lot of papers on this, and I don't want my professors to see this video. Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So check it out, and thank you for watching this week's video, and we'll just keep on rolling this train for as long as we can. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.
Yeah. Thanks. make sure to check out FlowHunt. It's we're actually on top of what everything is happening out there. But yeah, I mean, see you next week. Thanks. Bye.